Alright, sorry about the mess, and as you can see my bike is a tad bit dirty. But we're doing a mid to front control swap, and we're going to start assuming that the exhaust system has already been taken off. Now with the exhaust system taken off, since we're going with the forward control, what needs to be removed from this bike is going to be your control arm, which are these two, or your lower frame, actually, those two, and these two bolts. And I'm going to try to take everything off in the unit. There's your brake reservoir right there. And that line goes all the way back. And this is what's different about the setup. There's your master cylinder right there for the rear. And the only way for the mid controls to work is to set it up just like this. And you can see your brake control switch should be in the same position for mid controls and forward controls. So, we're going to unbolt and remove this pedal to expose the line and the reservoir. And after you take the exhaust off, you can see it's pretty cut and dry. Just taking that lower frame bar off. And taking off those pieces and the mounting hardware that goes with it. Alright, so I'll be back. Okay, I have removed the rear brake pedal to expose everything going on behind it. And it looks like we may have to actually remove the swing arm to access this rear mount, which is what the brake cylinder mounts to. You can see it goes up here and the brake pedal just slides right on and attaches right over the top of your brake master cylinder. Just screws right in. See, that just slides right over the two of those. And then it's attached by the foot peg and that bolt. I believe that's an 8mm. Yeah, it's 8mm. That's what I've been using to take those out. And I believe the subframe is going to be the same size, which is an 8mm. Yes, it is. So, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the master cylinder and the frame, and I'm going to try to leave the master cylinder's line connected to the frame and to the brake reservoir. Now I'm going to eventually have to drain the fluid because this is going all the way to your back one, and for the back it's a one-piece line. So we will be back.